Right?
Yep.
Hi everyone, welcome to the vlog. Today we're gonna do some little checking and stuff. Want to check the brakes. We were told that there are Z32s, but we just want to check it to make sure. Yeah. Yes.
The cats have taken over the transmission tunnel.
Hi. He's still there. Okay, he's out. Okay, so I'm looking for a 20. We have 19, 19, 19, and then straight to 21. We don't have a 20. I can't. I have a 21.
Let me get that. Hopefully that's it.
I felt like we had a 20.
Come on, do the right one. Ooh, it was. Got the wheel off and I started to check everything, and it looks like there's a PBM knuckle and then a PBM like lower control arm set up with like a tension rod and like all of that. I also just noticed that the steering rack is hitting the Ultra Racing brace bar under the car, so that's got to get fixed. I guess I have to do like a rack spacer or something along those lines. But yeah, I have Z32 brakes here, and it looks like I'm missing the caliper bracket adapter, so got to space that out a little bit. Maybe I have them in the house, maybe I don't. I got to check through the list of what came with the car, but I got to get the right socket to pull this off, knock that off the stub, swap to the 5-lug, grab 5-lug wheels from John, put those on, and hopefully once this is all assembled, I can at least get the car rolling so we can free the Evo. I also realized that there are no brake lines ran, so I'll have to run all those, which I think those are all the chase base stuff that we have in the house. It's no big deal. That stuff's really easy to do. I still do kind of want a brake booster. I don't think with my girlfriend driving this car, I feel like she'd be happy driving it with a hard gas pedal, or sorry, hard brake pedal. But
I would not.
but I don't know. We've never done it before on this because I heard the chase base lines run bigger lines. So if it runs bigger lines, it'll flow fluid a little bit better, which will feel better. Which is kind of why the handbrake in the E46 feels good, because it's got like big lines. So kind of all over the place right now with that stuff. But right now, I just took pictures of this and I sent them off so we could just figure out what all's missing from here. And yeah, hopefully just wait for my friends to get back to me. And yeah, let's go check the back wheel. Well, I got the back off. I kicked the wheel off because it was stuck just now. I guess it had gotten frozen onto the hub because there's no brake rotor, so it didn't really need to go that deep on there. The caliper's in place. It looks like someone ran like a brand new chase base line to this. And this looks like a nice little second caliper, or rear caliper, I guess. That's cool. This knuckle and all of this, I think I want to replace. I don't know if it looks bad or it doesn't look bad, but I just need to pull it all out and check it. This definitely needs to come out. It's missing 2 bolts entirely, but for some reason there's an axle in it and it's actually connected. There's like the diff is still in there, which I didn't think there was. I thought there were no, I thought there was no diff. I thought there was no rear end in this car. But I guess it is in there, so that's kind of interesting. These struts got to come out. I have replacements for the rear upper control arms. I have replacements for all of this from ISR, and yeah, once I start pulling it all out, we can start kind of changing stuff up. But that's good to know. At least I can see that this is here. This definitely needs like some sort of nicer bracket because it's just kind of free floating in there. I don't like that. And yeah, I definitely want to pull this caliper back out and powder coat that with the other one. So at least it looks new and still intact, so that's good.
Hi everyone, welcome to part 2 of the vlog. We're pulling up to Nissan. We just need to get some bolts to put the suspensions together.
So we need this bolt, and I'm trying to get this clip. Really like a random bolt we found on the ground jammed in there, so we pushed the car out.
So either way it works.
Yeah. All right, we're leaving Nissan, and we got the bolts ordered, and it looks like it'll be here Saturday. We saw our friend there, so he helped us out, and yeah, we're going to Lowe's real quick. The weather looks like it's gonna rain, so I kind of want to hurry up and get this before, but I'm gonna go get this Loctite stuff. Supposedly you spray it on like rusting spots or whatever like that. Like, it's not that it's like rusting, but it's got like that light bit of surface rust. Spraying this stuff on it's supposed to like get rid of the rust and leave like a coating that you can sand and paint. And that's what we want to do. I want to paint the knuckles black. I was going to powder coat them, but I don't think it's worth it because I don't know if I'm going to have to buy a new knuckle, because I might want to do the PBM drop knuckle with the dual caliper setup. So that might happen. So I don't really want to spend a ton of money on these knuckles yet. But I think that's where we're going with this, because I think that'll be the smart thing to do. Oh no, goodbye.
So we're gonna paint this.
This is coming off, and we're gonna paint this knuckle, like this whole knuckle. The reason we're gonna paint it is because we're actually gonna get the PBM one with the dual caliper and the drop knuckle. But I figure in the meantime, that's what we'll use the Loctite stuff that we bought or whatever it was to take some of the rust down, the surface rust, and then we'll prep it and do all that stuff, take a little bit of surface rust down, and then we're gonna paint it black, just so it looks nice. And then I think most of the arms under here are getting replaced also by what's in the room. So that's cool. I also want to know where this brake line goes, because obviously it's not connected to anything. Try 13 first. 13 too big. Actually, maybe it's an 11. Oh, thank you. Got myself. Anyway. Hey, welcome back, Cat. It looks like there's only really like 4 bolts holding it in, so it should come out fairly easily. And I figure when we do it, we'll do all the arms as well, you know?
Tomorrow.
All right, we got up early. We ran a Nissan, got our bolts. So, it's raining as always, so we're gonna have to hold off on doing a bunch of stuff, but I had to order some more bolts. The 4 bolts that go into the hub that hold the back hubs in were missing, so, or they were like 2 and broken and all this, whatever. I just bought new ones. I don't care. So those are gonna go in, and then we can do the 5-lug conversion, get it all sorted. The brake calipers, I want to send to powder coat first, and get it the color we decided, and yeah, go from there. So yeah, for now, that's it for this part.
Tomorrow for sure.
It's raining. It's like very, very, very lightly raining. All right, let's try this stuff real quick.
Okay, it's our bag of goodies. So we got this, hold on, we got this from Lowe's, I think it was, right? But yeah, this is the stuff that you guys recommended. The LA girl, no, LA girl. LA's totally awesome. We got this from the Dollar Tree. You can dilute it or you don't have to, just depending on what you're using it for. So should we try not diluting it and just do a small area first? And then if it seems like it's a little too aggressive, we'll dilute it.
Yeah, we'll go from there.
Okay.
It's starting to rain, which it's supposed to rain forever, but we got this totally awesome stuff. We heard about it from one of the comments. Actually, one of the comments on the last video said to try this. I don't remember who said it, but appreciate it. We're gonna try it. We YouTube some videos. Everybody said it's crazy. People are doing like 1 to 10 water on this and like literally detailing entire cars. So we're gonna try it on this little bit right here.
I don't know. They said that it smells, has a really strong scent. Okay, let's kind of go with that first. It's already starting to eat away at the sticker.
Maybe try the more abrasive side next.
It's not really too abrasive. They're both actually really soft. I think this is gonna work. I think you were right. This side feels a lot more aggressive.
It's starting to rain, but look how much progress we've made. Rain, stupid. But yeah, we made a ton of progress on this side. And let me show you what the other side looks like. Just for comparison. Yeah, it was like this huge white line, and now it's like literally nothing over here. This stuff is nuts. All right, well, I guess that's really it. There's the progress right there. It's way better than it was. And I guess we're just gonna end it here. We were trying to do more. I was actually gonna paint the knuckles. It would have been a good day to do it, but then I didn't get all the bolts that I was waiting for. I did get the first half, but I had to order more because I just checked it yesterday. And it looks like it's missing the bolts that hold the 5 lug that I'm gonna put on there in. So I ordered new ones. They'll be here Wednesday. So I guess this vlog is over for now, and see you guys soon. Oh no, goodbye.